Hello friends. Welcome back. If you're new here, I'm DreamWords. And today we're doing part 2 of our daily English questions and answers series. If you missed part 1, don't worry, you can find the link in the description below and watch it after this video. Today, we'll dive into even more useful questions and answers to help you practice your English. And of course, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. Let's jump right in. What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? I love pasta. I love pasta. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Yes, I'm hungry. Yes, I'm hungry. What's your profession? What's your profession? I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher. Why did he run away? Why did he run away? I think he's a thief. I think he's a thief. What is she eating? What is she eating? She is eating an ice cream. She is eating an ice cream. What are they doing? What are they doing? They are playing football. They are playing football. What do you need? What do you need? Actually, I need your help. Actually, I need your help. Do you drink coffee? Do you drink coffee? Yes, I do like to drink coffee. Yes, I do like to drink coffee. What are you doing here? What are you doing here? I'm here for buying vegetables. I'm here for buying vegetables. What's your favorite drink? What's your favorite drink? My favorite drink is orange juice. My favorite drink is orange juice. Do you like music? Do you like music? Yes, I like music. Yes, I like music. Are you busy? Are you busy? No, I'm not busy. No, I'm not busy. Where did you go? Where did you go? I went to the post office. I went to the post office. What are you doing? What are you doing? I'm cleaning my room. I'm cleaning my room. Do you understand? Do you understand? No, I don't understand. No, I don't understand. Are you happy? Are you happy? No, I am not happy. No, I am not happy. Where does it hurt? Where does it hurt? It hurts here. It hurts here. How was the trip? How was the trip? It was so fun. It was so fun. What did you study in college? What did you study in college? I studied computer science. I studied computer science. Can I sit here? Can I sit here? Sure, go ahead. Sure, go ahead. Do you like to travel? Do you like to travel? Yes, I love to. Yes, I love to. What do you do? What do you do? I'm an actor. I'm an actor. Can you bake cookies? Can you bake cookies? Yes, I can bake cookies. Yes, I can bake cookies. What is that? What is that? It is a bag. It is a bag. What is that? What is that? It is a puppy. It is a puppy. Who is she? Who is she? She is a nurse. She is a nurse. Who is he? Who is he? He is a pilot. He is a pilot. Who are they? Who are they? They are students. They are students. Where do you go? Where do you go? I go to a bank. I go to a bank. Why me? Why me? Because you can do. Because you can do. When will you sleep? When will you sleep? I will sleep soon. I will sleep soon. Which language do you speak? Which language do you speak? I speak English. I speak English. How tall are you? How tall are you? I am 8 feet tall. I am 8 feet tall. Did you pass? Did you pass? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. How to go? How to go? Go by bus. Go by bus. Why are you late? Why are you late? Because I missed my bus. Because I missed my bus. How was your day? How was your day? It was good. It was good. That's all for today's video, friends. I hope you enjoyed part 2 of our daily English questions and answers series. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep using these phrases in your daily conversations. If you haven't seen part 1 yet, don't forget to check it out, it's linked in the description below. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.